Students, I hope you are all safe at home. In last class, we have revised our November monthly portion. Today, we are going to see the December monthly test portions. So, here we are going to see the 6.2 exercise 6.2. Find the expected value for the random variable of an unbiased die. So, here the sample space for and die is s equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, n of s equal to, there are 6 items, therefore it is 6. So, here the question is the expected value of the random variable for an unbiased die means. So, we have to find for each and every category for getting 1. We have to find the expected value, that is x equal to 1 means the expected value is 1 by x. Okay. So, x equal to 2 means expected value is 1 by 6. And x equal to 3 means the expected value is 1 by 6. Again 4 it is 1 by 6, as well as 5 and 6 we are getting 1 by 6, because only one chance is the getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay. Since all the cases only one favorable event, the total number of event is 6. Therefore the probability mass function. So we tabulate this in tabular column. X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The P of x, that is the expected value, is 1 by 6 for all the value. So expected value for the random variable of an unbiased die is like this. Okay. Then next one here, E of x, the formula for expected value is E of x equal to I 1 to 6 x P of x, that is 1 into 1 by 6. Here multiply 1 into 1 by 6, 2 into 1 by 6, 3 into 1 by 6, that is x into P of x, 4 into 1 by 6, 5 into 1 by 6 and 6 into 1 by 6. We are getting the value 21 by 6, that is equal to 7 by 2. So, if you divide 7 by 2, we are getting 6 expected value equal to 3.5. Now, let x be a random variable defining a number of students getting a grade. Find the expected value of x from the given table. Here, x be a random variable defining the number of students getting a grade. Okay, here the question is given getting 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then p of x also given. So, the given probability mass function is written. After that, we are finding the expected value by multiplying the x as well as p of x. That is 0 into 0.2 plus 1 into 0.1 plus 2 into 0.4 plus 3 into 0.3. So, the summation of this equal to E of x equal to 1.8. This is the way we are finding the expected value. It is very easy to attempt this type of sums because we are multiplying the x as well as p of x. So, this type of sum is asked in 2 marks. Okay. Sometimes it may be asked in 3 marks also. Then, the following table is describing about the probability mass function of a random variable x. X equal to 3, 4, 5 and p of x equal to 0.1, 0.1 and 0.2. Find the standard deviation. Listen, the question is here, find the standard deviation of x. Therefore, here first we have to find the expected value, then apply the formula for standard deviation. The formula for standard deviation is given that variance, that is root of variance. Variance is E of x square minus E of x whole square. So, we have to find E of x square as well as E of x whole square. That is, first we are finding the E of x by way of multiplying the x and p of x variable, that is 3 into 0.1 plus 4 into 0.1 plus 5 into 0.1, 0.2. We are getting 1.7. This is E of x. Now, in order to find the variance or standard deviation, we have to find the value of E of x square. So, sigma E of x square is nothing but squaring the x term. That is, here the x terms are 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, first square 3 square into 0.1, that is p of x. Then 4 square into 0.1. Then 5 square into 0.2. After squaring it, you have to multiply by the p of x values. Then we are getting the answer 7.5 as E of x square. So we know the E of x as well as E of x square. E of x equal to 1.7 and E of x square equal to 7.5. Now apply it in formula. Variance equal to E of x square minus E of x square. So E of x equal to x square equal to 7.5 and E of x equal to 1.7. So in order to find E of x whole square, we are squaring 1.7 whole square. So after squaring it, you have to subtract from 7.5. We are getting the variance equal to 4.61. So standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. Therefore, square root of 4.61 equal to 2.147. The answer is 2.15. Okay. So this is the way you have to find the value of standard deviation. So in order to find the standard deviation, we are finding the expected value as well as E of x square. E of x square is nothing but squaring the x term and multiply it by P of x. Okay. Then apply the formula of variance. After finding the variance, square root, in order to find the standard deviation, we are taking square root of variance. So the answer become 2.15. So this is the way you have to find the value of the standard deviation. Okay. Next sum. Let x be a continuous random variable with a probability density function f of x equal to 2x when x is lies between 0 and 1. That is, it is equal to 0 and 1. It is in between 0 and 1. It is 2x. Otherwise, it is 0. So find the expected value. If this type of question is given, we have to integrate the value. That is, here the limits are given 0 to 1 and the function is f of x is 2x. Okay, we know f of x as well as the limit. The formula for E of x equal to 0 integration of 0 to 1 x into f of x. That is, first we multiply the f of x by x. Here x into the value of f of x is 2x. We are getting 2x square. Here 2 is constant. So if you integrate x square, we are getting x cube by 3 and the limits are 0 to 1. So apply the upper limit first. That is 1 cube by 3. We are getting 1 by 3 and 0 is applied in place of x means we are getting 0. Therefore 2 into 1 by 3 we are getting 2 by 3. Therefore expected value E of x equal to 2 by 3. Okay. This type of sum is turned if the function is given. That is, if tabular column are not given, in such a case you have to apply this type, that is integrating the f of x by way of multiplying it by x. Okay. Then fifth question. Let x be a continuous random variable with probability density function f of x 3 by x4 x power 4 when x is greater than or equal to 1. That is, the limits are 1 to infinity. It is greater than 1 means it is goes on. Okay. Therefore, we are taking the limits is 1 to infinity and expected value formula is 1 to infinity into x into f of x. Therefore, x into f of x is 3 by x power 4 dx. So after integrating, we are getting first cancel x and x power 4. We are getting 1 by x cube. So 1 by x cube is integrated. We are getting x power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. It is x power minus 2 divided by minus 2. The integration points are 1 to infinity. Limits are 1 to infinity. Then now substitute the upper limit infinity and as well as lower limit. We are getting the values like this: minus 3 by 2, 1 by infinity, minus 1 by 1. We are getting the 1 by infinity value is nothing but 0 and 1 by 1 is 1. Therefore, if you multiply it by minus 1, we are getting 3 by 2. That is the expected value of the function 3 by x power 4 when x is greater than 1. Here the value of 1 by infinity is 0. Okay. Now we are going to see the next sum. Before going to the next sum, the questions asked here is find the expected value as well as mean and variance. So now you know already how to find the variance. So variance is nothing but e of x square minus e of x whole square. So now we are finding the e of x square as well as the mean. Okay. And the next step is finding e of x square. So e of x square is nothing but 1 to infinity. Instead of multiplying f of x by x, we are multiplying it by x square. Okay. So if you multiply x square into 3 by x power 4, you are getting 3 by x square. Take 3 as constant and x square becomes minus 2 if it comes to numerator. After integration, we get x power minus 3 into x power minus 1 divided by minus 1, and the limits are 1 to infinity. So if you substitute the limits infinity and 1, we are getting minus 3 into 1 by infinity minus 1. The value of 1 by infinity is 0. Therefore, minus 3 into 3 we are getting 3. So now apply the formula. Variance equal to e power x square minus e of x whole square, and e power x square equal to 3. Then e power x equal to 3 by 2 whole square becomes 3 minus 9 by 4. We are getting the answer variance equal to 3 by 4. If standard deviation asked in such a case, you have to take square root. Before that, watch the question. That is, the question in this question they asked the mean as well as the variance. Mean is nothing but the expected value. Okay. So mean is nothing but expected value. Then we find the variance. Okay. Then sixth question. In an investment, a man can make a profit of 5,000 with a probability of 0.62 or a loss of rupees 8,000 with a probability of 0.38. Find the expected value. Here, two things are given. The value of x equal to 5,000, then it is a profit, and minus 8,000, then it is a loss. Okay, the probability for each one is given. For 5,000, the probability of getting profit is 0.61, and the probability 62 it is given in the question, but you here it is 61, you change it as a 62. So the p of x equal to 0.62. Okay, and then 8,000 into 0.38. Okay, after tabulating the value, find the expected value by multiplying the x and p of x. 5,000 into 0.62 minus 8,000 into 0.32. We are getting the value rupees 60. Hence the expected gain is 60. This type of question is asked in 5 marks also sometimes. It is very easy to attend this type of question if you practice it well. So you have to revise the question 3 or 4 times. Then only it is easy for you to understand the questions and also the application of the questions. Okay, so understand the question first, then it is very easy for you to attend it. Okay, then next one, what are the properties of mathematical expectation? So in second volume, some questions are asked, that is some theory questions are asked in the exam. So it is asked in 2 marks as well as 3 marks, not in 5 marks. So if you prepare the theory questions, then it is easy for you to attend the theory also in maths. Okay, so e of a equal to a, where a is a constant, that is the first property, and e of ax equal to a into e of x, and e of ax plus b equal to a into e of x plus b, because b is a constant. And if x is greater than 0, then e of x also greater than 0. b of a equal to 0, and b of ax plus b equal to a square into bx. So this is the 6 properties regarding the mathematical expectations. Then next one, what do you understand by mathematical expectation? E of x is an average, that is, we say it already, it is a mean of the values that the random variable takes on. That is, e of x is nothing but average, or we may say it as a mean, and e of x is the mean of the x, which is denoted by mu of x. Okay, mu of x is, it is nothing but mean of x. Okay, then next question, how do you define variance in terms of mathematical expectation? Variance of x equal to sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. So this is the formula for variance. Okay, then how can you define e of x square? E of x square is nothing but sigma x square into p of x For discrete random variable, we are writing like this. For continuous random variable, it is minus infinity to infinity x square into p of x. Okay, so this is the two cases. For discrete random variable, we write sigma x square into p of x, whereas for continuous random variable, it is minus infinity to infinity x square p of x. Okay, then and the next question, define mathematical expectation in terms of discrete random variable. Let x be a discrete random variable with probability mass function p of x, then its expected value is defined as e of x equal to sigma x into p of x. That is, expected value is nothing but x into p of x. So take the x is a discrete random variable, then probability of function is p of x, then expected value is x into p of x, that is summation of x into p of x. Then state the definitions of mathematical expectation using continuous random variable. If it is a continuous random variable, f of x is the value of its probability density function at x, that is we are taking the integral of x into f of x dx. Okay, and here f of x is given, we are finding the expected value by taking the integration, that is minus infinity to infinity, that is if the here the limits are given, apply that limit and x into f of x. Then 12th sum, in a business venture a man can make a profit of 2000 with the probability 0.4. So this type of question is asked in 9th problem itself. So same question, I think it is not 9th one, it is a 6th one. Okay, so 6th and 12th problem is same model type of questions. Here the profit is 2000 with a probability 0.4 and have a loss is minus 1000 with a probability 0.6. So if it is mentioned as loss, we take it as minus. Okay, what is the expected value, variance and standard deviation? Expected value is nothing but multiplying the x and p of x. Here expected value is summation of x into p of x, that is 2000 into 0.4 and minus 1000 into 0.6, because here it is given as loss. Loss is, we take it as minus sign. So after subtracting these two things, we are getting 200 as expected value. Then find the e of x square. E of x square is nothing but summation of x square into p of x, that is squaring the x term first. Here the x term is 2000. If you square 2000, we are getting 1,60,000 something. Here if you multiply it by 0.4 as well as squaring 1000 and multiply it by 0.6, after the difference, finding the differences, we are getting the value is 22 lakhs. Okay, then after finding the e of x square and e of x, apply the formula of variance. Variance is nothing but e of x square minus e of x whole square. So if you subtract these two values, the answer becomes 21 lakhs and 60,000. Okay, if you find the standard deviation, find the variance, then it is easy for you to find the standard deviation. It is nothing but square root of variance. Square root of 21 lakh 60,000 is 1469.69. Okay, this is the way you have to find the value of standard deviation and variance if the x and p of x value is given. Okay, next question, the number of miles on an automobile tire lost before it reaches a critical point in treadwear can be represented by a probability density function, and f of x equal to 1 by 30 e power minus x by 30. Then the x is greater than 0. When x is less than or equal to 0, it is 0. Okay, find the expected number of miles in 1000 a tire would last until it reaches the critical treadwear point. Okay, here the PDF function is given as f of x equal to 1 by 30 e power x by 30 when x is greater than 0. Therefore, expected value of number of miles equal to e of x equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity, then x into f of x dx. So multiply the function by x, that is x into 1 by 30 e power minus x by 30 dx equal to x into e power minus x by 36 dx. So Here we are applying the formula n factorial divided by a power n plus 1 factorial. Here n is nothing but 1 and a is 1 by 30. After applying the formula, we are getting the value 1 by 30 into 1 factorial divided by 1 by 30 square. So after simplification, we are getting 30. That is, E of x is 30 miles in thousands or 30,000. Okay. So students, do all the sums given in the PDF in exercise 6.2. So practice well and submit your assignment on time in order to get the full marks in your assignment. Don't waste your time. Practice well, students. For your December monthly test, the portions are 6th chapter, that is 6.1, 6.2 and the choose in 6.3. Thank you, students.